Across Australia, New Zealand and the South Pacific, this is the week's Adventist News in Focus with David Gibbons.
Hello, thanks for joining me. In 1986, one Australian doctor felt strongly enough about heart disease in Tonga to actually go and do something about it. Now, 24 years later, nearly 3,000 people have had their lives transformed or even saved by the healthcare outreach program. The Sydney Adventist Hospital has coordinated 1,500 medical professionals who have donated their time and expertise to 95 mercy missions over the years. Up to 60 free operations are provided during every 2-week trip to various developing countries, with heart surgery and burns reconstructions being the focus. This year, Healthcare Outreach also plans to provide gynecological surgeries in Nepal. Australia is set to have its first Catholic saint after the Pope recognised the second miracle attributed to the late Mary MacKillop. ABC News reports MacKillop devoted her life to helping the disadvantaged before her death in 1909. A woman who says she prayed to Mary MacKillop for healing was later found to be free of her cancer. The Vatican appears to be on track to recognising Mary MacKillop as a saint later this year. But not everyone is pleased. According to the Australian newspaper, Anglican Bishop Glenn Davies is questioning whether the miracles can be really attributed to Mary MacKillop. Davies says the biblical definition of a saint is anyone who is forgiven by God. Students at Fulton College in Fiji are making a noise. A joyful noise, that is. Since the setting up of a recording studio on campus, Fulton students have enthusiastically embraced the opportunity to produce CDs and music videos. Reflecting the cultural diversity on campus, various musical ensembles have been recorded singing in English, French, Fijian and other languages. Picturesque locations around Fulton were used for many of the music videos in order to highlight Fiji's natural beauty. The first gospel music DVD is now available from Fulton College. Can we believe the Bible's account of where Jesus grew up? For the first time, archaeologists in Nazareth have uncovered a house from the time of Jesus. The home is small and simple, with 2 rooms, a courtyard and a rainwater cistern. Previously, excavations have revealed only tombs, but the new discovery adds weight to the New Testament account of a Jewish village at Nazareth. The growth of Christianity in the remote Himalayan country of Nepal has been described as a runaway train. In the few years since Nepal's transition to democracy, religious restrictions have been relaxed and churches are taking advantage of the new openness. Seventh-day Adventist pastors travel several hours on foot to visit isolated villages in the foothills of the Himalayas. This village of 250 people has been transformed as the people have accepted the message of Christ. The men no longer drink and instead take their fair share of the work. Mothers have been trained to care for their children better. As a result, malnourished babies are a thing of the past. But there is concern that the literacy rate is still less than 10% among the village children. The church in Nepal is calling for help to maintain the success they're experiencing.